This is how our illustration looks today. Draftsman is an international internal perspective. To a vanishing point. Look, we put the horizon line like in all perspectives, and now our vanishing point. It comes to the center. Right. We start drawing our area. Our references. Let's play those points. Look, this type of drawings will help you to practice your scenarios, our indoor scenarios. Is this time going to be a bedroom? No, but you can make an office like this. A bathroom, a workshop, a factory, whatever you want for your comic, for your illustrations. There I had to make some adjustments in perspective. No, but everything is fine. So, vanishing point on the horizon line. Vanishing point, we bring out our element. Where are we going to draw? I mean, the square, and we vanish the corners at the vanishing point. We agree. There, that line had been left further away. The room know this. Look, it's the wall. Let's save the references. We leave the vanishing point. So now we have a wall that stops the vanishing point, right? It no longer vanishes. The vanishing point is very far away. We already have a wall there, and so we have 2 walls, floor and ceiling. Do you agree? It's an internal perspective. We are not outside. We're inside, and we start putting all our elements that we decide are going to go. In this case, in this bedroom, here I also decide to erase that part so that the vanishing point is visible. Because if I stayed on the line of this, so if I lower it, the horizon wasn't going to be noticeable. Vanishing point. If it's on the horizon line, it vanishes with the horizon line, and it seems that there's no vanishing. But yes, there are not. Here we come. We erase a little the references. Remember that this is a sketch. It's a sketch, right? These are quick drawings. That's why nothing is perfect. We want to give the idea already that from here we go with more calm, making better illustrations. But right now it's to learn internal perspective. Look at the bed. The bed also vanishes. This is the pillow that is also indeed vanishing, not part of the bed. Let's put something like the blanket or sheets. I don't know, a blanket. No. A blanket that is going to be striped. Well, that's the bed. Did you notice? This element, which is a piece of furniture with drawers, is vanishing, right? A dresser. All the drawers are angled to the vanishing point. Everything angles towards the vanishing point, right? There we put the drawers. Let's read a bit more quality language. Sketch. We put the handles. And well, there goes our bedroom. Not our internal perspective. We take out the same height as the window. Look, the same height, and we vanish it at the same height, from top to bottom. And we play it at the vanishing point. And well, let's make the other window. In this case, this bedroom has windows on 2 walls, and so these windows are to bring its blinds or curtains. No, in this case, they are type of fabric that hangs like from a tube above. If you notice, no, one is more open than the other. I'm shading them to give certain qualities of drawing. They are striped curtains. No, here we come to the other wall. We put the shoe. Curtains or blinds, not curtains, and we're going to start putting a desk. Remember, it's a bedroom of any young person. And well, they have their workplace, or for any person, and have their workplace in the bedroom. So, do we make the desk? And there comes the volume. If you notice, here we put a beam that holds the 2 legs to give it rigidity. And why not let it have some paintings? Not many people have pictures in their bedroom. No, personally, since I am a painter, I have several paintings. In fact, it is full of paintings. So, what paintings are going to come? No. Here maybe there's a vase with flowers, and here a portrait. Maybe not, but well. The thing is that we left it drawn in perspective. How would the paintings look? Here comes another piece of furniture. Back there, a corner furniture piece. No, there goes the furniture. We're doing well. The furniture above has two figures. Two sculptures. I don't know, and we put the others. Curtains, we underlined them. We didn't come here with the chair. From the student draftsman. Look at the chair. The seat is vanishing to the vanishing point. No, I went a little overboard. Should I erase it and redo it? Well, the tubular part of the base with wheels is not a chair like those in workshops. I don't know. We put the other legs. There it is. I don't know. This doesn't look good. No. And well, we're going to give qualities. Come on it. Great, this scenario, this scene. Of a perspective, and why not? On the floor, we have a small rug, and here we're going to put some shoes. No. And well, we give qualities. Notice how I lean against the square to not smudge, right? Because it's pencil on very grainy paper, and it smudges. We erased the references. Could we still tint it here to make it better? But we will leave it at this sketch level? Right, and we're coming to give some quality to this chair. We're doing well, basically. This is the interior perspective to a vanishing point. We give qualities if you like the video. If the video helped you. The content. Like it, comment on it. Architecture, share it with that friend or girlfriend. Of architecture, of interiors, of comics, so that he has it and can study it. And let me know in the comments what you think. And your drawings. Thank you.